What's up YouTube and welcome to this video. So this video is about how to create DLL files and use it in your project. So for creating DLL file, create a new project which is of type class library. Click next I calculator. Create. So our project is created and it's really easy. We can delete this class and create a new class calculator. So let's just keep it simple and keep two methods. And now what we need to do is we need to build this project. So our solution is built. We can go to Open File Explorer, bin, debug, and you see that there is iCalculator.dll. This is our DLL. Now let's create a new project of console app. We need to add a project reference, browse, and inside our iCalculator folder, which is the other project, we can import the iCalculator as a dependency here. So you can see that in the assemblies we have iCalculator and we can use it here. So using iCalculator, just like that, class program, and let's ask user for enter a number var n1 equals to double dot parse and console dot read line. Then we ask the user for another number. The addition of two numbers is, and we need a calculator, new object. We can just initialize it like this, and then cal dot addition. We can pass in the two numbers. So this is how we can use a DLL in our project. So this is all for the video. Thanks for watching and do subscribe to the channel. See you next time.